Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely great. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to find RockAuto promo codes in 2025. So in order to get it, you just have to simply open a new tab, and here you need to search for RockAuto promo codes 2025. Now once you search for it, you will see a bunch of different websites that will be providing you the promo codes for RockAuto. So you just have to open these websites one by one in a new tab so that you could next hop onto these websites in order to find the best working promo codes. Here you can also seek help from Reddit as well, so you can open it in a new tab. Afterwards, you just have to simply hop on to the websites that are providing you the coupon code in order to check what coupon codes they are providing and if they are actually working or not. You will find coupons.com website, which is a very great website for finding coupon codes. Here you can see that as of January 2025, total 25 deals and coupon codes are available. So you need to simply click on the C coupon code in which you are interested, and it will show you the coupon code which you can copy from here and use it. Now before using it, I would recommend you to read the terms and conditions first for the coupon code for its perfect applicability. Secondly, if the coupon isn't working for you, you can just go to the another website that you have opened, and you can try to find the coupon codes from here. Next, we have also opened reddit.com. So here you can also find all the currently working promo codes. As you can see that this is 20 hours ago, so you can basically seek help from the other people as well for finding coupon codes. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.